Get ready for Sage Copilot. Part 1. Install your upgrade, multi-user. In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your software to the latest version of Sage 50 accounts. For a multi-user installation, there will be a server PC, or a PC acting as the server for Sage 50 accounts. This will generally hold both the Sage 50 accounts software and data. Note: if your server PC holds the data, but not the software, the data service must be updated. For more information on this, please visit the Sage Help Center or contact your IT support. There will also be one or more client PCs that will hold the Sage 50 account software and connect to the data held on the server. We recommend first upgrading the Sage 50 account software on the server PC, then on each client PC. If you're unsure of your network setup, please contact your IT support. Let's first look at how to find some important information to help you with your upgrade. On each PC with Sage 50 accounts installed, we need to establish the location of your current Sage 50 account installation and whether your Windows operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. To do this, from the Help menu, choose About. You'll see your current version number here. Your current program location is shown here. To help with your upgrade later, make a note of this now. Your Windows operating system is shown here. In this example, the operating system is 64-bit. Again, make a note of this now. Once you've established this for each PC with Sage 50 accounts installed, close Sage 50 accounts. You're now ready to upgrade the software. Let's first look at how to upgrade the software on the server PC. Before upgrading, ensure you are logged in as an administrator on the server PC. We also recommend an all files backup is taken and your data checked for errors. If you have multiple companies, this must be done for each company. Please note, any errors found must be addressed before proceeding with the upgrade. For more information on this, please visit the Sage Help Center. Let's now look at how to download and install the latest version of Sage 50 accounts. To do this, open a web browser and visit sage.co.uk/help. Click the tile Sage 50 Accounts, Desktop, then the tile Install your software. Now, click the tile Upgrade your installed software. The Help article opens. To locate the installation file, scroll down to the section Install the full program. To download the 64-bit installation file, click here. This normally saves automatically to the Downloads folder. If not, select your Downloads folder and click Save. To begin the installation, locate the downloaded file, then double-click on it. The option to upgrade your installation is selected for you. Your existing Sage 50 accounts location is shown here. Ensure this matches the current program location you noted earlier. To accept the license agreement and install the latest version, click here. If you're prompted to allow the application to make changes to your device, click Yes or Allow. Once finished, the installer will check automatically for any further updates. If any are found, you'll be prompted to download and install these. You've now upgraded your server PC to the latest version of Sage 50 accounts. To close the installation wizard and open Sage 50 accounts later, click Close. Alternatively, to open Sage 50 accounts, click Launch Sage 50 accounts. If you have more than one company, select your required company, then click Open Company. Your data for each Sage 50 accounts company must also be updated. Please note, The time this takes will depend on the size of your data and your PC specification. To update the data for your first company later, click No. To update the data for your first company now, click Yes. Your updated data will now be checked for errors. Please note, any errors found must be addressed before processing in the upgraded version. For more information on this, please visit the Sage Help Center. To continue, click Close. If your company is not currently connected to a Sage account, or you've upgraded from version 30.1 or above, you'll be prompted to log into your company. Simply enter your username and password, then click Log On. If you've upgraded from version 30 or below, and your company is currently connected to a Sage account, before you can log in, you'll need to reconnect to the cloud service. If you're using remote data access, this message appears. To reconnect, simply sign in with your Sage account. To do this, click OK, then log in with your Sage account email address and password. If you're using a different connected service, for example bank feeds, this message appears. You can choose whether to reconnect your company now or later. To access your company without connected services and reconnect the next time you log in, click here. To reconnect your company using your Sage account and re-enable all connected services, click here. Once you're happy, click Continue. To re-establish your connection, start by entering your Sage account email address and click Continue. Now enter your Sage account password and click Login. If you're prompted to authenticate, enter the 6-digit code from your chosen authentication method. Once you've done this, click Continue. Once you're reconnected, this window appears, confirming your cloud connection has been re-established. To continue, click Close. You can now access your company. To check your software version has been upgraded, go to Help and About. Your new version number will be shown here. We also recommend taking a backup of your updated data. For more information on this, please visit the Sage Help Center. You've now upgraded the software on your server PC to the latest version of Sage 50 accounts. Let's now look at how to upgrade the software on a client PC. Before upgrading, ensure you are logged in as an administrator on the client PC. If the client PC has the same architecture as the server, in this example 64-bit, you can use the installation file downloaded on the server. Copy the installation file from the Downloads folder on the server PC and store it in a shared location. Alternatively, you can transfer the file to a USB drive instead. If the client PC uses a different architecture, such as 32-bit, return to the Help Center article and download the 32-bit version instead. Installing the upgrade on a client PC follows the same process as on a server PC. Simply locate the installation file, double-click on it, then complete the installation wizard, just as we did earlier in the video. Repeat this process for any further client PCs with Sage 50 accounts installed. You've now learned how to upgrade the software on both server and client PCs to the latest version of Sage 50 accounts.